Find the value of x in the equation 24x squared plus 5x minus 1. We can determine the value of x by using the quadratic formula. X equals negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. The value of a, b, and c. A is 24 since it's the coefficient of x squared. Value of b is 5. And for c, it's negative 1. Then we substitute a, b, and c to the formula. We'll get negative b will be negative 5. Positive negative square root of b squared will be 5 squared minus 4, a being 24, and c will be negative 1 all over 2a, a being 24. Five squared will be 25. And since there's a negative 1 here, we can cancel the negative sign and we'll have a positive here. 4 multiplied by 24 is 96. So it will be plus 96 all over 2 times 24 is 48. And 25 plus 96 is 6 plus 5 is 11. 9 plus 2, 11. We get 121. And the square root of 121 is 11. So, just gonna put it here, negative 5, positive negative. Square root of 121 is 11 all over 48. Using positive sign, we'll get positive 11, negative 5 plus 11 all over 48. 11 minus 5 is 6. And you'll get 6 over 48. And we can still make this smaller. 6 over 48 is also 1 over 8. Now using negative sign, you get negative 5 minus 11 all over 48. We'll just add this both. Negative 5 minus 11 is negative 16 all over 48. You can still make this smaller. This is equal to negative 1/3. It's 1/3. And that is the value. These are the two values for x, which is letter D. 1/8 and negative 1/3. The solution is very long, but you can have a shorter method by using the calc method. 24x squared plus 5x minus 1 is a quadratic equation. You can use mode 5 equation 3 has quadratic equation x squared plus bx plus c. So it's mode 5, 3. Then put the value for a, b, and c. 24 equals, and for letter b, 5, and for letter c is -1 equals. And we can instantly get the answer 1/8 and -1/3. You can also have another calc tech. Input the value of the given 24 x squared plus 5x minus 1. The equation states that it equals 0, so if we calc and input the answers in the choices, it should be equal to 0. The answer should be 0. So let's try A, which has 1/6. We get 1/2, which is not equal to 0, so A is not the answer. B also has 1/6, but it's also not equal to 0, so let's try letter C, which has the value is 1/2 for x equals, we get 7.5, which is also not equal to 0. We will try the answers for letter D, which is 1/8 equals, equates to 0, so the value is true. And let's try this -1/3 calc, and the value is 0, so obviously the answer is letter D. Thank you and good luck.